As the title says, this is pineapple chicken, a stir fry of chicken, pineapple and vegetables all tossed into a sweet savory sauce. This is your Bakasur Mama Ritika and I welcome you all to my channel. So let's learn how to make pineapple chicken Chinese style. To make this chicken, I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken into a bowl, cracked 1 egg to it, add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. To this, add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Give this a good mix. Incorporate the egg and the corn flour to all the chicken. Mix well until you see no lumps of corn flour into the chicken. Season your chicken with salt and some pepper. Give a mix and set it aside to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. While our chicken is getting marinated, let's prep our vegetables. I have some fresh red chilies chopped which are extremely spicy. I have some chopped ginger and garlic. I had bought pineapple slices to which I have separated the core of the pineapple and used just the sides for this dish. Do not use the core. I have chopped my pineapples into cubes. I also have some bell peppers chopped in cubes, red and yellow. I have some white and green spring onions chopped. So this is all the vegetables we need. I am now going to deep fry my chicken into low medium flame. I have taken chicken breasts, so I am going to cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes only. Do not over fry your chicken as it may get dry. Cook your chicken only at low medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes so chicken will be good. Stir occasionally into the hot oil so that the chicken pieces do not get stick to each other. After 7 minutes, drain your chicken out and place it on a kitchen napkin. To avoid overcrowding the hot oil, I have fried my chicken in 2 batches. Once your chicken is all fried, let's move on to make the sauce. Take a wok on a heat, add some neutrally flavored oil or sesame oil as the Chinese preferred. Add your chopped ginger and garlic. Add in the chopped spicy red chilies. You generally find these red chilies into the thigh section of your local supermarket. Saute this for a minute so that the ginger garlic release their raw smell. Once your ginger garlic is sauteed, add in your chopped pineapples. Toss in the spring onion. Add the bell peppers. If not, you can also use capsicum. Give it a good stir. Do not overcook. We want everything in our pan to be crunchy. All the colors of this summer are in our pot right now. Doesn't it look good? Moving on, add 100 grams of tomato paste. This is a store-bought paste. You could crush tomatoes or grate tomatoes and add to this dish. If you are using raw tomatoes, add 2 tomatoes to the blend. To balance the acidity of tomatoes, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you do not have oyster sauce, you can use hoisin sauce or normal soy sauce. This is the oyster sauce I am using. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I am using rice wine vinegar. You can use any vinegar you have. Stir fry this till the sauces are well accommodated by the veggies in our pan. Toss in the chicken that we had fried. Give this stir fry a very good mix. All the sauces will be absorbed by the fried chicken and the chicken will go soft. To make it more like gravy, I have added half cup of water. You can add chicken stock instead. To this, I'll also add 2 tablespoons of corn flour slurry. That is 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water mixed to a paste. Give this a good mix until our sauce is thick. It's time to serve. Serve it with 2 pineapple slices on the next. Or you could grill the pineapple and set it aside. Serve this with some steamed rice or you could just eat it like a starter. This is also called as a pineapple sticky chicken. To garnish, add some chopped green onion on top. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds. Pineapple chicken with rice is the complete meal as it is. because you've got fruit, vegetables, proteins and your starch. If you're a vegetarian, you can totally skip the chicken and add broccoli instead. It will be your broccoli pineapple. If you want to know the recipe of broccoli pineapple, do write it in comments, like if you have enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. This is your Bakasur Mama saying goodbye.